In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Slack to n8n. So, first step is click on this plus button in n8n. From here, choose credential and then click on personal. And from here, search for Slack. Then click on Slack API. Click continue. And now we need to paste our access token and signature secret. So how we can do this? Go to apislack.com. From here, click on create an app. Then choose from scratch. Now here you can name your app. So for example, n8n. Then you need to select your workspace from Slack. I'm going to choose my workspace and click on create app. Now from here, scroll until you see app level tokens and click on generate tokens and scopes. From here you can name your token. So let's say n8n. Next, you need to add scopes. So what are scopes? Scopes are the permissions that tell Slack what your app is allowed to do. So for example, like reading messages or creating channels. So click add scopes. And from here, you need to choose scopes which you want to add. So for example, I'm going to choose connections write. So click on connections and write, then click generate. Then you need to copy this key. So copy it and paste it in access token. Then we need to paste our signature secret. So go back to Slack and scroll up. And this is your signing secret. So click on this, click show, and copy this signing secret and paste it into signature secret, and then click save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. So now we have our Slack connected. Now what you can do is to create workflow. Then from here choose add first step, and in the search bar type Slack. And then from here you can choose either from actions or triggers. So let's say create a channel. And from here you can choose your Slack account, which we already connected. Then you can choose resource, for example. And then when you have all details filled, click on execute step. So I need to fill name. So let's say n8n Slack execute step. So we can try to connect it by second method. So click on create new credential, and then we can try to connect it with this OAuth instead of this access token. So I'm going to choose this one and click connect my account. As you can see, this will open this authorization tab, and just click install n8n cloud. Click on this. As you can see, connection successful. Account connected. So it's showing me we need to add these scopes. So how you can do this? Go back to your Slack API, and from here, click on this OAuth and permissions, this one. And from here, scroll until you see scopes, and then click on add auth scope. And from here, we need to choose the one it wants from us. So it's groups write. I'm gonna find it. So it's this one. I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see, success. Now when I'm going to try it again. So as you can see, it's still showing me the same error. So I will try to add scope also for this bot token scopes section. So I'm gonna find the same groups right, and then I will try it again. Still same error, so I will try to log in again with the same account. So I'm gonna just click on connect my account. Then I will click install n8n cloud. Connection successful, and now this should maybe refresh the scopes. Still doesn't work. I will try to put public channel, and as you can see, the problem was in channel visibility. And now the second problem is invalid name specials. I need to put lower cases. Then I also added the dash between those two texts, so n8n-test, and then it's working. As you can see, execute step, and it's not executed successfully. So it was a little bit complicated, but this is how you can connect your Slack to n8n. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.